My video guide will help you to get rid of the new ransomware that is called JS. In this video guide, you will find what exactly happens with the files after they get encrypted by this particular ransomware. Before the ransomware attack, there are no troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other documentation, which can be opened pretty easily. But the point is that because of certain vulnerabilities in the existing security software, this ransomware may easily inject the system and then start immediately encrypting the data that customers store on their hard drives. So it often happens that after people restart their computers, they soon realize that they cannot open their files anymore, and they get this scary message mentioning that their files have been damaged and encrypted by this particular JS ransomware. This ransomware tells its victims to pay the special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom, of course, does not guarantee that the files would be restored. So please do not ever pay the ransom. Still, it is impossible to open these files because of this JS extension added. We recommend you to immediately undertake certain measures to save at least some of your files. You may go to the task manager, then look for suspicious processes which could be running in the background. If you find them, you should terminate them. Now, to remove this ransomware, we suggest you to go to the website combocleaner.com. So you now need to download and install Combo Cleaner antivirus using this green download button. After the program is successfully downloaded and installed, you need to start the program and begin checking your system with its help. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is crucial for proper malware detection and removal. The update of the anti-malware database might take several minutes, depending on the speed of your internet connection and depending on your current geographical location. But you definitely need a certain security software that will be powerful enough to detect and delete this JS ransomware from your infected computer. So after the antivirus database of Combo Cleaner is successfully updated, the program will begin scanning and analyzing your system. Combo Cleaner works exceptionally well in terms of detecting and deleting the majority of ransomware type threats circulating in the internet today. You may experiment with some of its settings. For instance, the premium license has got this anti-ransomware feature, which is exceptionally good because it can help you to add one or several folders on your system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to get rid of these threats either manually, but we strongly advise upgrading to premium license in order to neutralize these threats automatically and to have your system always protected in the future.